Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you about how to use the chem draw for our molecule, which is warfarin. So I will draw the structure of the warfarin. We need the benzene. So just click benzene here. Then the cyclohexene and single bond. Then double bond. And then if you want to add atom, so you click the alphabet here. So this is our molecule for the warfarin. Look at here. This is the windows for the 3D structure. And then we will go to the Chem 3D. So just click over here and then it will launch the Chem 3D. If you want to move it like this, and then just click the hand here. And then if you want to rotate, click this arrow and you can rotate. So as it rotates, this structure also change. So this is the shape when it is in the ball and stick. If you want to show it in wireframe, sticks, cylindrical ball, and also in space filling. After this, we need to calculate the energy before it is maximized. So just click here, calculations, MM2, and then go for the computer properties. Then click run. This is the energy before it is minimized. So you need to record this energy. Click for the minimize the energy, then click run. After finish running all of the calculations, so you will get the value. So this is the energy after it is minimized. So you can subtract it from the energy before minimized with this value, and then you will get the total energy for the minimization. So that's all. Thank you.